Hey, what's up? So I keep looking at UMIDIGI Power 3 and today I want to test the performance of this smartphone. Before you start watching this video, I recommend you to pause it and watch the other video with unboxing and first review of UMIDIGI Power 3 if you haven't already done so. The link to unboxing video will be in description. UMIDIGI Power 3 is a budget smartphone under $150. Can you play heavy games on this phone? Let's find out. Let's start with specifications. UMIDIGI Power 3 is equipped with Helio P60 chipset, 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal memory. You can use MicroSD memory card to expand internal storage. Okay, now I want to run benchmarks and then play some games. As you can see, UMIDIGI Power 3 has about 170,000 points in AnTuTu. Also, the smartphone has 298 points in single-core test and 1251 points in multi-core test of GeekBench 5. The 3D Mark Benchmarks recommends to run slingshot test. UMIDIGI Power 3 has 1677 overall score. The smartphone doesn't have any problems with internal memory speed, Wi-Fi speed, and GPS. As you can see, UMIDIGI Power 3 is doing well with the benchmarks, but what about games? As usual, I will play my favorite games, PUBG Mobile, Asphalt 9, and Call of Duty. They are quite heavy, so it will be a good test for UMIDIGI Power 3. As you can see, the smartphone runs these games without any problems. You can comfortably play any games on UMIDIGI Power 3. It was performance test of UMIDIGI Power 3. Although it is a budget smartphone, it is very good for games and heavy apps. Also, I didn't notice any problems with the user interface. It is fast and smooth. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers. If you don't like this video, write in comments below what's wrong. We will try to fix it in the next videos. Have a nice day. Bye.